Hey guys, we're doing our 7th grade preview for the week. And let's take a look at what we did this week. Started off on Monday with continuing with the big chart for 19.1. Looked at a crash course. I had you join the big 7th grade classroom. If you haven't done that, I'll probably include that code in an email or in the classroom just so everybody can get into it. That's just a just-in-case tool that I might need if we were to go completely remote for everybody at some point. I can think of a couple of reasons why I might want every 7th grader in one classroom. So I'm going to put that out there just so you can join it. Doesn't mean there's anything in it yet, just for me. Tuesday, we finished up that chart. You turned it in. I got those graded and returned to you. So if you haven't seen your grade yet, it's probably because you didn't turn it in yet. If you did, let me know. Wednesday, we did an RITP, looked at another crash course. Thursday, we did the neighborhood chart, and I had those of you who were in attendance take home a big piece of 6-frame paper because today, as you can see, you're working on the 6-frame for India. Those directions are posted in Classroom. Make sure you're following those directions. That won't be due in until November 30th because I'm not going to see you until then. So I'd love to have all those paper 6-frames brought in, and I'd love to have them look good. I'd love to give you guys all 60s out of 60, and then post those into the hallway. Our hallway bulletin board is still looking pretty thin compared to most years. For whatever reason, you guys got pretty shy this year. Nobody wants to put theirs up. So that's what we did this week. Again, today you're working on the 6-frame summary. And next week, we're going to review on Monday. Of course, we're going to have a Google Meet. And remember the schedule. First hour is 8 o'clock, second hour 9 o'clock, third hour 10 o'clock, so on and so on. Keep going. So you will sign into the Meet at that time. Those links will be visible to you in Google Classroom when your time is close. I'm not going to post those real early. I'm going to have the link will be in your Google Classroom in the main stream page where you guys right now see like the class code and all that kind of stuff. I'm sorry, my screen's a little small to see that, but this is the area in Classroom where you will see that. And when time is ready, you will see it turned live, and you can click on it, and it'll join into the Google Meet. I know a couple of you had some problems with your cameras not working or not being able to log in on your Chromebook. A couple of things I would recommend highly. Turn your Chromebook completely off, at least once a week. I don't just mean close it. I don't just mean log off. I mean hold that button down, the power button, until the whole thing shuts off. Do that at least once a week. You need to clear out all the internal memory and the cache and the cookies and all that kind of stuff needs to be cleaned out. And it also lets your Chromebook update. If you never shut down, your Chromebook never updates, and Google is sending updates out all the time. So your Chromebook is not running at its maximum capacity if you're not shutting down once a week. That, I think, is going to help some of you with your camera issues and all that kind of stuff. If it doesn't, feel free to use your mobile phone to get into the Google Meet. Just make sure that you download Google Classroom app. I would think maybe you already have that on your phone. If not, you need to do the Google Classroom app, the Google Drive app, so on and so on. Some of you may find it easier to just have that phone for the Meet, and then whatever you're supposed to be doing on your Chromebook at that time, you can be doing it full screen on your Chromebook, have your phone sitting to the side with the Meet on. So that's always an option for you to be using as well. Don't forget, you have to log in to every class, every hour, and have your attendance taken. So please don't forget to do that. We don't want to have 90% of you guys absent just because you didn't feel like logging in. The Monday-Tuesday schedule is completely different than the remote Friday schedules that we've been doing. As I've been telling people who've been in class, your remote Friday schedules, many of you probably don't wake up until 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and then you do your work. On the new remote schedule starting Monday, Tuesday, you need to actually be up during school hours and logged in live during school hours. So make sure you're doing that. I'm sure all of your teachers have been telling you that, but we've been asked to tell you over and over and over so that nobody can say, I didn't know. So next week, we're going to review on Monday during that Google Meet. We're going to see how it goes. This whole Monday, Tuesday thing is set up so that we can see what works and what doesn't work. And I wanted to hit it hard, so I'm going to see, can I run a Kahoot remotely? Can I do Quizlet or Gimkit or anything else remotely, live? So we're going to see how that works Monday. Tuesday, you're going to log in, and we're going to take your test live during class, during those hours, okay? So make sure that you're up and ready to go and all that good stuff. So it'll be locked down on Tuesday. That test is going to be locked down. You will have to have your classroom Chromebook. You'll have to be logged in during the class to take it, or it's going to be late, so on and so on. Okay? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you guys know the routine for that for Thanksgiving. Enjoy that time, and I will see you guys on the 30th with your 6 frames in hand. See you later.